Hey guys, so I'm finally home in Miami. I'm actually at my sister's house now and she's about to basically barge into my vlog because she's so rude. I'm in her bathroom because we're going to a party tonight. I'm getting ready so I could braid my hair down, put my wig on, you know, casual. I'm gonna take you guys on the journey of me in Miami and whatnot. And I'm also gonna open my little gift bag that I got. My sister just went to Colombia without me, per usual. So disrespectful, right? And she got me a little gift bag of stuff. So let's open it, see what she brought me. Is it good or not? Ooh. Ooh, we got coffee tea. I'm unsure of how to use this, but I'm sure I'll find out. It smells good. Next. Ooh, I'm guessing this is Jet. Nuevo album, Viva la Aventura, Colombia. Oh, it's café con leche. Or chocolate con leche. Wow. Coffee addict around here. Oh, some more sweets. I don't really know what these are, but I have quite a few of them. Ooh, candies and oh, this is cute. A keychain. How did you know? I needed a new keychain. This is kind of cute because I was gonna buy one from like Kate Spade, but this is better because I didn't have to spend money on this. Thanks. Okay guys, so we're headed out. Walking downstairs in heels, never a good idea. And trying to film, no bueno. Now it's completely dark. We're walking towards the car. But yeah, we're ready to have a good time. We're gonna see Micky. I've never seen him live before. So y'all, get ready for a good night. This is what I'm wearing. I've worn this dress about 1,000,000 times already, but it's my favorite black dress. So yeah. My sister's making me clean even because she's making me breakfast. So now she's making me clean so I can like set up the table for us to eat, and I don't want to. I've kind of failed already, but I did clean it and I think it looks nice. You know, we're just gonna eat here. She wants me to set the mood. Where is she? Oh, she's bent over. Baby, are you setting the mood for us? But what happened to the placemats?
First of all, they're under all the dishes, and I don't feel like it. Maybe you should steam these.
Baby, I'm not gonna fucking steam these for us to eat on. Oh my god. Do you see what I have to put up with, this freaking diva?
I'm just saying, like, if you want to eat like a dog, I'll give you a doggy plate, but...
Oh my gosh. And she always does that too, with that little nose flick. Anyways, guys, we're having like really good shrimp and grits. We got mojitos. I mean, mimosas.
Did you bring mimosas?
I could have sworn I saw champagne in the fridge.
Yeah, but that's not for you. I drink a bottle all by myself.
The disrespect. Anywho, let's look in the fridge. There, Prosecco, knew it. And passion fruit, that's a mimosa kind of day. I don't know, but you're struggling.
The champagne is like, not today.
Wow. The drama. Hold on. Yes. And we're watching the Nutcracker.
I need your help.
Love a good mimosa breakfast. Yes. And the best part is I did nothing. Hey guys, so I just went shopping in my sister's closet, so I have a whole suitcase from what I came here with. I think I'm cruise ready. Also, nothing in this outfit is mine. Thank God my sister likes buying clothes that don't fit her. Thanks. Ooh, guys, the glow is unreal. Fenty come through. Currently at a pool party. I'm not in the pool, obviously. I forgot my bathing suit at home because my sister. I forgot your pool hair. Shut the fuck up. That's so disrespectful. This can go in the water. Tell me I did not, yeah, whatever. So yeah, we're just here chilling at the pool, having a good time. It's Haitian Flag Day. So yeah, you know the drill. They're gonna say, who is that stalker, because you're being annoying. Anyways, hey guys, so I got my hair done yesterday. It took all fucking day. And it looks nice. Like, I really, really like it. I just kind of wish my edges were like more tight, but I guess she wanted to save them, which is all fine or whatever. I'll just like, get some edge control and slick those bad boys down. And I have to go get my eyebrows done because they are looking like she-wolves and they're super thick right now. I am in the car waiting for my mom because my mom's going to Haiti tomorrow and she's making me drive her all around Miami today so she can get all her stuff, and criticizing my driving all in one go. So yeah, and then my cousin is back there like trying to spoil my vlog because she's such a creeper. So yeah, that's basically where I'm at right now, and I'm listening to Megan Thee Stallion's new album, which is already good. I only heard one song and I'm like, sis, I feel this in my soul. And this little hoe back there is like, oh, this is too ratchet for me. Meanwhile, she's back there bumping to Thee Stallion. She tried to say Megan the Stallion, and I was like, no, give this girl the respect she deserves. It's Megan Thee Stallion. Okay. And then also, guys, I saw the Game of Thrones finale last night, and if you saw like my Game of Thrones video, like, I know you know what I think about this finale. Like, I don't know, like, in some levels I'm just glad it's done and they can stop ruining the best show of my entire existence, but also like I just am so confused. Spoiler alert, get off or skip forward right now. But like, how is it, like, I think I see where they were trying to go with everyone's ending, but like, I absolutely hated the way John just became so irrelevant, you know, like, that's my boo, and y'all gonna throw good old cripple Bran into the position, and like, good old Bran was like, I don't want to be the king of Winterfell or whatever, the Lord of Winterfell, because I don't want anything. All of a sudden though, oh, but sure, you signed me up to be king? Yeah, that's why I rolled my ass all the way down here. Like, bruh, I'm just so upset. Like, I'm gonna rewatch this show when I come back from vacation, because I also have like a lot of things going on with like back home. We're back in Salt Lake City, and I'm still taking classes online this summer and all of this good stuff. So like, I'm gonna wait till I come back to Salt Lake City in June to rewatch this show and like really see where they were going with this, because the way they just build John up to tear him down like a bad habit was really sad and pathetic. And I hate these writers. They must have been drunk or high when they wrote this, because this sucks. And that's all I have to say. But yeah, we're just gonna continue waiting, and I'm gonna keep listening to my album. I'm not playing it because copyright, but it's real good. Go check out Meg Thee Stallion. It's Megan, but I like Meg Thee Stallion more. But whatever, we all know it's Megan. Okay. Bitch!
Did you miss me?
No.
Yes, you did, whore.
Bitch, get the fuck out of here with all of this mosquitoes. Ah!
Wait, can I park here? Is this good?
No, you parked like trash. You were taking 3 spots. Fuck off.
Damn, my bad.
Like, let me guide you into, oh shit, actually you gotta. Alright guys, so it is, what is today? Tuesday morning. Nia and I are headed to breakfast.
Am I turning?
Yes.
Okay.
Nia and I are headed to breakfast, and she, stay in this lane though.
Okay.
She is terrible at Miami.
Don't believe a word she says, because it's not true.
And I'm terrible at giving directions.
This is very true.
Fuck off. So we are gonna get some breakfast at Panera, and then we're gonna go buy her hair so she could go get her hair done. I got my hair done. I'm still getting used to this color, because I feel like, is it my brows that are too dark? Like, I don't know. There's something about this color throwing me off. We shall see. Or maybe I need to just like style this hair better. You guys tell me. But yeah, so this is gonna be our last day. Nia's gonna get her hair done. I'm gonna like go to the mall with my sister and stuff and do some shit, and then yeah, we're gonna meet up later to go shopping for some last minute items for our cruise, because the cruise is tomorrow. Can you imagine? So yeah. Are we still recording? Hey, no. She almost pressed the like stop button. We're waiting for our lobster rolls at Luke's Lobster. They're making them back there somewhere. I don't know if you saw them. Oh God, I'm oily as hell, Lord.
Hey guys, so today
But yeah.
we are making a YouTube channel.
Also got to go get my brows snatched tomorrow morning, Lord.
Oh, this is better.
Yeah. Party. Hey. Margaritas on deck, bitch.
You are ruthless, yeah, you don't give a damn about what I do. You think you're the coolest. Who would ever wanna be like you? You left my heart in pain, yeah. You don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, yeah.
guys, so this is the last leg of this vlog. We are going to Target again. This is the same Target we came to last night. We just realized that morning. We're gonna get some things that we forgot because who are we? We're ding dongs, of course we forgot. So yeah, this is my outfit that I'm wearing to go to the cruise. We're about to get our nails done after this as well, but we're a little early to the nail place, so that's why we are getting this stuff right now, right? Okay guys, so this is gonna be the end of this vlog. I am waiting for Nia. She went inside to buy lottery tickets because this bitch wants to win the lottery so bad. We just got our nails done. I got my eyebrows done, guys. These are my real brows, no product. Look at how nicely this lady just slayed my life. Like, I'm obsessed with my brows. I got my nails done. This is what they look like, and Nia got her nails done too. We're about to roll out to the port, and get this, okay? Hopefully we win the lottery. Please let us win the lottery, God. We are tired of being poor.
Take me out of this poverty.
So yeah, that's the end of this vlog. Stay tuned because I have another vlog that's gonna be all about my cruise and all the dumb shit that ends up happening there. So yeah, let's get this money, honey. See you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe.